Now, COVID-19 infections are rising exponentially again in Germany as the third wave of the coronavirus affects the country more and more. All this despite German officials announcing a cautious reopening plan. In addition, there were problems with the country's vaccination program. We now turn to Berlin and Thomas Sparrow, Deutsche Welle political correspondent, to know more. Hi Thomas, now German officials have said the third wave of the coronavirus pandemic has begun in the country. So how bad is the situation now?
Well, the situation is getting very serious again here in Germany, especially after an expert at the country's Public Health Institute warned this week that cases are growing exponentially again. There are concerns that the situation by Easter could be even worse than in December. And this has to do in part with the more contagious variants which are spreading fast in the country. And all this comes at a time when German leaders had actually slowly begun to ease restrictions after months of lockdown, something which is also probably contributing to the increase in cases. There is, however, one caveat, one very positive development. The numbers of deaths are falling in comparison to previous months.
So how is the German vaccination rollout going?
German leaders have been under fire for a long time now for Germany's very slow vaccination program. As of midweek, around 8% of citizens here had received a first jab. Germany has not been as effective as other countries, both outside the EU and within the bloc, in administering the vaccine doses to the population, and in particular, the program has been plagued with problems, from organizational issues to delivery delays. And this week, more questions were raised after the government announced it was temporarily halting the use of the AstraZeneca vaccine out of precaution because of the possibility of blood clots.
So how are people reacting both to the AstraZeneca decision and to Germany's overall vaccination program?
Well, there is a degree of insecurity surrounding the safety of AstraZeneca and what it all means for Germany. And that's why it's so important for authorities now to focus more and more on building trust. A new survey this week revealed that a majority of Germans say it was a responsible decision to halt the use of AstraZeneca, whereas 39% said it was exaggerated. And regarding the vaccination program, a vast majority actually think it's going badly or very badly. Even so, willingness to receive a vaccine remains high in Germany. This is Thomas Sparrow, DW political correspondent, reporting from Berlin for Vietnam Television.
Thank you, Thomas, for your information.